Hello everybody, and the blizzard pack came out, and it is Christmas time. It's December, well, when I'm recording this, and I'm gonna open the blizzard pack, and I got 8,702 tokens. Very excited, because it's new seasonal pack, and yeah, please subscribe, and leave a like on this video, and let's get into it. Oh, we already got an epic. Nice. Oh, another epic. Wait a minute. I just passed something right there. What was that? What? Santa sleigh? This is new. This is new, guys. There's a new rare. Did not notice that. And by the way, guys, there is 2 more chromas, and I believe one of them's the chili chameleon. Yeah, the chili chameleon and the peppermint bark. Let's hope we get one of those in this video. Oh, another epic. Ooh, legendary, legendary. Santa, Santa. Yes, sir. Let's go. Legendary. Please subscribe. Yes, sir. And we still got around 7,000 more tokens to spend. Maybe we can get the chroma. But nice, we got another Santa. I'm sorry guys, but yes, I did keep one of my Santas last year. But yeah, so this is good. I still got 7,902 tokens left. We could probably pull the chroma. Oh, another epic. So far, guys, it's been a dry streak. Oh, as I say that, we get an epic. Oh, another one! We got another Santa! That's crazy. I was not expecting that. Well, I mean, we were on like an uncommon streak, and then another Santa. Nice. By the way, guys, the peppermint bark, it's 0.03. Oh, epic. And the chili chameleon is 0.02. I don't know, guys. I am doing resells, so I don't know. We could pull it. I just have no clue. guys, if you're watching this at Christmas time, Merry Christmas to all. And it is Christmas time after all. And wish you a Happy New Year. But this was filmed December 2nd. Like, it came out today. So, yeah. I hope you have fun. We still got a couple more tokens to spend. 5,000. Another Santa! Another Santa! Not expecting that. I thought we were gonna get only one Santa or something like that, but we got 3. This deserves a like, don't you think? Please like this video for more. I just don't know. I just don't know what's gonna come up next. Oh, epic. Oh, epic. Oh, another epic. Oh, another. Nice. Fun, epic. Oh, epic. Alright, we're getting to our last couple tokens. Alright, last pack, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, leave a like. And let's see what we get this last pack. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Santa sleigh. Alright. Not bad to end off. Well, yep. And we got 3, actually, count it all up, 7 Santas and all these. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later. Goodbye.